Hey guys, Jason with Fender Garage. We're talking exhaust hangers today, and so I've got this exhaust hanger here that we've cut off another exhaust that we did a long time ago. And this is a pretty traditional hanger that you might see installed on most of your exhaust systems. And so it just kind of, you bend it around, you cut off the extra length, you got this little rubber isolator, it just floats in there. It works well, just doesn't look that attractive. And so what we've done is, you know, we've kind of designed a style for us that works well. And so we have 3 different sizes and also 3 different colors of grommets, that rubber grommets that we can use that actually depends on the, you know, the truck color, you know, the style, what it is we're trying to accomplish. But this actually is something that would weld on here and hold that, and then you could have like a bracket attached to your chassis that those will go on there. They can also be, you know, you can kind of cut them and trim them depending upon your application, where you needed to install it. And so you've got those different options. Another thing that we do in all of our exhaust is that we use a V-band flange system for our exhaust. And so it really minimizes exhaust leak, slips on, this gets welded on, and then what you have is you got this other piece that comes on and helps seal that up. And by the time you add the clamp to it, pretty much don't have any exhaust leak. You don't have to worry about gaskets, you know, trying to get all that stuff sealed up. So it's really a pretty good option, and really easy to get apart and have it go back together the same way. So anyways, we sell these in bulk to people, or people go on eBay and buy them in like 2 packs or 4 packs. And it just depends on, you know, the length. This is like a 3-inch center. This is like a 2.5 and a little 1.25 inches. So it seems like these are the most popular. This is a little bit larger for a little longer reach, but they work pretty good, and we use them here all the time. And it's kind of nice to be able to just go grab them off the shelf and figure out what we need and weld it up, rather than trying to hunt down something, you know, buying it all the time. So we keep all this stuff in stock here. So if you have any more questions about exhaust or ways to install it, don't hesitate to, you know, give us a call or email us, jason@fendergarage.com. But with that, go buy some. We like to sell them. Thanks.